For 23 years, I had a career with the Air Force Research Laboratory, and the last 13 of which I was the program manager for hypersonic basic research. During that time, I had the luxury of interfacing with the best and brightest academic minds in the country that were working in the hypersonic fields. We have a broad opportunity to have a significant impact across all of aerospace and defense in Tennessee. Now, a key part of that is the facility you see here, the Tennessee Aerothermodynamics Laboratory, what we call the TALon.
What I've been doing for the last 2 years is overseeing the design, construction, and implementation of the TALon Mach 4 Ludwig tube. We're really going to answer a lot of questions with this, and so we want to make sure that we lay the foundation properly for setting up the rest of the TALon facilities.
Our cost to run one wind tunnel shot is measured in tens of dollars. We think about $25 a shot would be conservative. So if you think about that, what we have an opportunity to do is to create a representative Mach 4 flow field that would allow someone to do the discovery, the working the burrs off something, to kick the tires and work the kinks out of something that they want to test at ADC. They can do it here at a very economic perspective.
As a research faculty member, I am fortunate enough to have some interaction with the students that are being advised by John Schmischer. They've done a lot of aerodynamics calculations and support for this facility. And as soon as we get it operational, many of those students are going to be using this facility for some of their research.
For the time it takes an expansion wave to move from one end of the pipe to the other, that's why the pipe is very long, it'll be about 200 milliseconds, or 0.2 of a second.
I think that what we're doing here is, it's extremely exciting. We're coming in and building a new hypersonics program at the Space Institute, and to really set out a vision for what we want to do and then have a stake in building that path forward is really rewarding.
We have a 24-inch test section. Of this scale, we have one of the largest, if not arguably the largest. It's close, okay? It's very hard for anybody to say we got a bigger tunnel than Tennessee.